What if everything you think you know about artificial intelligence and automation is only the beginning? This isn't just a story about technology. This is a story about you. Because whether you realize it or not, AI is already shaping your life in countless ways. We're going on a wild ride through the real world of AI, the one that's quietly working in the background. Let us start with a simple question. What if your everyday choices are being shaped by invisible algorithms? Think about it. The music you stream, the news you read, even the jobs you see online, it's all curated, filtered, and presented to you by AI. But don't worry. We're going to break it all down in a way that's fun, fast, and super easy to understand. So, get ready, because the twists are about to begin. First up, let's explore how AI learns. It's less like math and more like magic. Imagine a machine that can't think like a human, but can analyze millions of patterns faster than you can blink. That's the core of it. Take a simple example. How does a streaming service know what movie you'll love next? It's not guessing. It's analyzing what millions of other people with similar tastes have watched and loved. It sees a pattern and makes a prediction. The same goes for your phone's camera. When it automatically focuses on a face or makes your photos look stunning, that's not just a good lens, it's AI adjusting the image based on countless other photos it has been trained on. It's pattern recognition on a massive scale. And this is where automation comes in. Automation isn't just about robots replacing assembly line workers anymore. It's about transforming tasks. From smart factories where machines coordinate with flawless precision to your phone's autocorrect that finishes your sentences. Automation is making everything smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Now let's dive deeper. We're moving beyond simple suggestions and into a world of hyper-intelligent systems. Think about self-driving cars. They don't just see the road, they predict it. They analyze the movements of dozens of cars around them, calculating the probability of an accident before a human driver could even react. Or consider the massive warehouses that power our online shopping. Inside, an army of robots moves with the rhythm of a choreographed dance, sorting and shipping packages with incredible speed. And what about customer service? Ever chatted with a bot that seems to know your next question before you even finish typing? That's AI predicting your needs based on your browsing history and previous questions. It's happening right now, 24/7. But here's the twist you might not expect. AI isn't just about efficiency and logic. It's becoming a powerhouse of creativity. This is where things get really wild. AI can now compose original music that sounds like Bach or create pop songs that could top the charts. It can paint stunning images from a simple text description, generating art that is both beautiful and bizarre. It can write stories, craft poetry, and even build entire virtual worlds for video games. AI is also helping doctors detect diseases earlier than ever before, spotting subtle patterns in medical scans that the human eye might miss. If you thought AI was just cold, calculating, and robotic, this will completely flip your expectations. It's a tool that amplifies human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art, science, and entertainment. And that brings us to the biggest moment. The plot twist of this entire story: AI doesn't just change technology, it changes us. It's fundamentally altering human behavior. Think about your attention span. The endless scroll on social media, the perfectly tailored video recommendations, they're all designed by AI to capture and hold your attention. This isn't a coincidence, it's a science. These systems are learning what triggers a dopamine hit in your brain and giving you more of it. AI is also predicting your desires. It knows what you want to buy before you do. It creates digital versions of us that are more accurate than our own memory, a profile built from every click, like, and search we've ever made. It's a little bit mind-bending, a little bit unnerving, but absolutely fascinating. We're outsourcing parts of our decision-making and even our memory to these systems. The question is, how is that reshaping who we are as individuals and as a society? So, what about our jobs? This is where the story turns again. Let's talk about the truth that no one wants to talk about. Yes, some jobs will disappear. Repetitive, predictable tasks are perfectly suited for automation. But that's not the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new one. Entirely new industries will rise from the digital dust. We're already seeing the emergence of incredible new careers. Think about AI personality designers who craft the voice and character of virtual assistants, or robot relationship managers who help integrate automated systems into human workplaces. There will be digital ethicists whose job is to ensure AI is used responsibly, and synthetic experience architects who will design virtual realities for training, entertainment, and therapy. We see both sides of this coin. You'll meet workers who fear AI, worried about being replaced. But you'll also meet the people who are already using it to multiply their income, offloading the boring parts of their job to AI so they can focus on strategy, creativity, and human connection. You see, automation doesn't just take work away, it has the potential to give time back. Time for creativity. Time for learning new skills. Time for innovation. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. But before you get too comfortable, there's one final twist. What happens when AI becomes smarter than us in ways we don't even see? This isn't about AI gaining consciousness or turning into a sci-fi villain. It's about something more subtle, and it's happening right now. It's about speed, prediction, and pattern mastery on a superhuman level. AI can process more data in a second than a human could in a lifetime. It can see connections and correlations in complex systems, like the stock market or global climate patterns, that are completely invisible to us. It's not thinking, it's calculating at an unimaginable scale. This intelligence isn't human-like. It's something entirely new, a powerful tool that we're still learning to understand and control. The challenge isn't stopping it, it's guiding it. As we zoom out, we see the full picture. AI isn't the hero of our story, and it isn't the villain. It's a mirror. It reflects our values, our priorities, our ambitions, and our flaws. It's an amplifier for humanity. The world we build with this technology is a direct reflection of the choices we make today. And you are a part of that story. Every time you use an app, train an algorithm, or question a recommendation, you're shaping its future. So we end with a challenge, a question that should stick with you long after this video is over. In a world where machines are learning something new every single day, what are you learning today? Thanks for joining this journey. If you want to explore more about how technology is shaping our world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.